Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start by opening iCloud Drive on the device you'll upload from. Tap or click the Upload button or drag files into the iCloud Drive window to begin. If you're on iPhone or iPad, use the Files app's Share Save to Files iCloud Drive path. On Mac, use Finder's iCloud Drive folder. On Windows, use the iCloud app or iCloud Drive folder. This initial transfer creates the cloud copy while keeping local originals intact. Once files are in iCloud Drive, organize them deliberately. Create folders and move related items so syncing stays predictable. On Mac, turn on Desktop and Documents in iCloud Drive to auto-upload those locations. On iOS, move items into iCloud folders via the Files app. On Windows, confirm the iCloud Drive folder is syncing and adjust selective sync if needed. For large media or uncommon formats, compress or split files. This reduces upload error. Finish by confirming every device shows the new files. Check iCloud Drive on each device and the iCloud storage indicator to ensure uploads completed. If you see conflicts, rename one copy or restore a previous version where available to avoid overwriting important data. If sync stalls, first confirm you have enough iCloud storage and a stable connection, then sign out and back into iCloud, or restart the device to refresh authentication. This often resolves stalled uploads without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.